Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to automatically fill dates in Microsoft Excel. For this, here you can see a first date is written right here, and in this column, I want to autofill this date for the whole year. For this, go to the left side of the cell, and here, you will just type 1. After typing 1, go below and then back. After backing, go to the right side of your PC screen, and here, you will see a button of Fill. Click on it. After clicking, these options will appear. In these options, click on the Series button. After clicking on the Series button, a small format will appear in front of you. In this format, we will select the Series section. In Column, after selecting Column, go to the Below, and here, we will write Initial Value 1. And go to the Front, here's named Top Value. Here, we will write 365. After writing 365, go below and click on OK. After clicking on OK, it will auto-generate 1 to 365 in this column. And then, go to the date like that, and drag over this side of the cell. Once cursor's sign will be changed, double-click right here. After clicking, it will be write automatically the date of the whole year. Like that. If I'm scrolling right here, you can see there is a hashtag instead of date. For this, you will drag our cursor right here and increase the size of that cell. After resizing, you can see the whole date of 1 year have been written in this column. And then, go to the E section and click on it. After clicking, press the delete key, and that will be deleted. After deleting, go to the FTF and right-click on it. After right-clicking, these formats will appear in front of you. In this format, we will select Format Cells. So click on Format Cells. After clicking, that kind of format will appear in front of you. In this format, we will just go to the date. So click on Date. After clicking on Date, that kind of window will appear, and in this window, we will just choose the style of it. So I will choose this one. After choosing, go below and click on OK. After clicking on OK, you can see the whole date of a year has been written in this cell. That's the way to write automatically dates in Microsoft Excel. If you found this video helpful, please like it, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.